everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay. Welcome to Coloring Bliss, and today we're here to talk about the Pantone color of the year. And how do you build a color scheme around such a unique color? I've got some really cool free tools that you can access online, and we're going to talk about color. I've got all these beautiful color tools right here, all pulled out in the Pantone color of the year, which is this beautiful salmon coral color. So we're going to learn all about what is Pantone, why do we care what the color of the year is. We're also going to do some coloring with these tools and talk about, like I said, how to build a color scheme around such a unique color like this. So let's get started. Okay, Pantone, who are they? Look at these beautiful colors. This is a Pantone Bridge, and they have tools like this to help printers be able to make sure that, purple for one printer is the same purple in another printer. And also from like one run of one print job, that same purple is going to come out and look the same tone and same color the next time they run that same purple. So that is who Pantone is, and every year they pick a color of the year. They look at trends, they look at what's going on in the world, and they pick a color of the year. So let's go visit Pantone's website and look at the color that they have picked for 2019. We're going to put links to the website in the video description so you can go and visit and learn all about Pantone too. You can learn about how they choose the Pantone color of the year. Isn't that a beautiful color? Like I said, it's a salmon coral color. They talk all about it here and show all kinds of samples. And if you are in the industry, you can purchase their tools and use it in your fabrics, in your printing, in your cosmetics. You can get the resources you need from Pantone. If you have such a unique color like this, coral color, how do you use it? How do you make the most of such a beautiful color? And I have a really cool free tool that I want to suggest to you, and it's by a company called Adobe. If you're familiar with computer programs at all, you have heard the name Adobe. And they have a free tool that is so powerful, and I love it. So I want to show you how I use it when I have such a unique color like this. So we're going to go back to the computer, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It's called Adobe Color. Isn't that beautiful? It's so cool, and it's totally free. So all you need to do is go into your search engine and search Adobe Color, and it will come right up, and you can go right into it. You don't need to have an account or anything to use this tool. It's totally free. It's a little bit buggy, but we're going to forgive Adobe because it is totally free. So how do we use this tool? Well, let me show you. So let's go visit Instagram, Steve. We're going to visit, this is Pantone's Instagram page, and they've been posting all kinds of beautiful imagery using their color of the year. And what I have been doing is scrolling down and finding an image that inspires me with the color in it. So scroll down, Steve, a little bit farther. There is a really fun image of a beach with the color of the year in it. There it is. Okay, Steve's going to take a screenshot for us, and we're going to take that image over into the Adobe Color tool. You can also take a photo with your phone or something and use that image and import it into the color tool on Adobe that way. All right, so now we're going to take that screenshot of that beautiful image and click on Import Image, and Steve's going to go find that image, and it will load it up into the software. Now this is really cool because you can take any image that you have taken a photograph of and load it into this software and build these color schemes. Now over on the far left, there is an option where Steve can change the different color schemes, and you'll note how the color will change as he's moving from the different moods, I guess is a good word for it. And you get, it's automatically jumps around and selects different colors for you, and you can start to feel how it builds different color schemes. And there he's showing you how you can actually grab the circles and move them around as well. That's another way to grab different color schemes. So as soon as you kind of like what you've got going on here, you can take another screenshot if you want, and then that would be your color scheme for whatever art project you're working on. Isn't that cool? So there, I really like, actually that's quite a beautiful color scheme, isn't it? Very deep and beautiful. So another way to use that color scheme that he's already built for us there is that color wheel option there on the top left. So there's the same color scheme that we just barely built over on the other import image side. And the first thing you want to do is establish which color is your base color. So there he's showing you, you click on that little arrow, and we're telling the software that we want our color of the year, the Pantone color of the year, to be our base color. And now it will change everything around that base color. So we're going over to the left again, where we have a bunch of options, and he's going to show you the different color schemes based on the color wheel. He'll just flip through those options and you'll see the software automatically building color schemes for you around the Pantone color of the year. Look how powerful this is. Changes it for you, does all the work for you, so you can load any color you want in and sit back and let the software do this for you, and you can figure out which one you like best and then make changes along the way depending on what you like and don't like. So cool. I love this tool, and it's totally free. I love it. So I think I kind of liked that triad one that you had up there. Yeah, that one is very interesting. So say you don't like those two blues and you want to change one of the blues. Steve could go in and click on the blue and change that one for us if we wanted to. Oh, look at him change things around. That's changing all of them, including the Pantone color of the year. So let's say now we want to get that Pantone color of the year, but we don't want to go to all the trouble of doing that screenshot. There's another way to get that color exactly right. So at the bottom there, he's showing you tools for designers. Yep. So you click on that and scroll down a bit and look at all this technical jargon. These are the actual numbers that will tell the computer as a code, a recipe for that color. So we're going to grab the HTML for the Pantone color of the year. He's going to click on it and copy that code. Like I said, it's a recipe for that color. And then pop back over to the Adobe Color tool, and he'll input that color onto the square that is our base color. So that's that far right hand square is the one we dedicated as our base color. And there, look, it just switched over to the exact color of the Pantone color of the year. So that's another way to grab it. And then we can use those tools again on the far left to modify and change our color scheme until we're happy with what we like showing on the screen. And that will build us our color scheme that we want to use. Such a powerful tool, and it's totally free. And like I said, I'm going to put links to this tool for you in the video description so you can use it too. I love that it's available to all of us. We can all use it and enjoy this tool. It makes color picking so easy, and we can all enjoy the Pantone color of the year. Speaking of that color, I want to color with it right now. So I have picked this color, this page right here to work on. It's on mixed media paper because I have a mix of medias to use right here. I went through all of my art supplies and pulled out a variety of tools that were similar in tone and color to the Pantone color of the year. I've got everything from inks to watercolors to washi tape, all the way down to a Crayola color crayon right here, even some soft pastels. This is a Jane Davenport watercolor brush. I've got a gel pen, several markers. I've got a little bit of everything here in this tray, and I want to see what happens if I color with all of these tools here on this coloring page. It should be lots of fun. I'm going to sit back, relax and enjoy this beautiful, happy color. So I hope you enjoy watching this speed color. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye.